Okay, so after that you can play what we call the pentatonic sequence. Okay, stuff like this. Most time you can hear most guitarists playing that, okay, when they are soloing. Okay, maybe in the reggae song or gospel song, any of the song, you see playing that. Okay, that is a pentatonic sequence they are trying to use there, playing the pentatonic sequence from your do la sol la sol mi. Okay, do la sol la sol mi. So mi, so mi, re do. Okay. Do la so mi, re do. Re do la so. Okay. Re do la so. La so mi, re. La so mi, re. Okay, then you play again. Mi, re, la, do, la. Mi, re, do, la. So you go again. La, so, la, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so. La, so, re, mi, so, mi, re. Okay, mi, so, mi, do, la. But at first, make sure you practice the C major scale so that you can understand the notes very well. Okay, so that you can understand the note. Now, this is the key of C. This is the key of C sharp on the third string. This is the key of D on the D string on the third string. This is the key of D sharp. This is the key of E. This is the key of F. This is the key of F sharp. This is the key of G. Okay, so you can, as much as possible, play it in this shape now on this. After the key of C, you can play the C sharp, the same thing. The same fourth fret, okay, and you can play it. You can sharp it to the key of D here, and play the same thing. Sharp it to D sharp, just for you to be, familiar with the fretboard and other strings, okay, so that you can be familiar with the fretboard and other positions, okay. But the main deal is on the key of C, okay. So if you could practice that, at least it would give you more tension, that your fingers will be free from the fretboard, and you'll be able to understand how to solo as well, because this is part of soloing. We have so many pentatonic sequence. Okay, this is one of them. So as time goes on, we'll show you pentatonic sequence. If you start learning, you can be applying it to in your soloing. Okay. All right. God bless you. Thanks for watching.